Getting started with your Lesco soil test kit is simple. Start by visiting soilkit365.com. From here, log into your existing account, or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard and select Register your kit. You'll now be prompted to either scan or manually enter your kit ID. Next, choose an address for your test. You can select an existing one or add a new location if this is your first time. Now let's choose the crop you're testing. For this example, we'll go with lawn, cool season fescue. When it comes to area size, you have two options. You can manually enter the square footage, or use the built-in tool to calculate it for you. Simply outline the area on the map, then click Choose Current Selection. You'll be asked a couple of brief questions. Click Next. Now review all the details. Once everything looks good, hit Submit. Before collecting your sample, you'll be shown a quick instructional video to guide you through the process. Now it's time to take your soil sample, place it in the prepaid mailer, and either drop it in your mailbox or at your local post office. Once your sample arrives at the lab and is processed, you'll receive digital results, similar to what you see here. Your report begins with an overview. We will start with the analysis, showing the nutrient levels found in your soil sample. Each section includes helpful tooltips. Just hover over them for more information. You'll see the actual rating, your target value, and the optimal range for each nutrient. Next, the Assessment tab breaks down what your soil needs based on the analysis. And finally, the treatment recommendations. This section gives you a personalized plan, complete with the products you need, how much to apply, how often, and when. Each product even includes a clickable link for easy purchasing. This provides a simple, accurate way to better understand and care for your lawn and landscape. For further questions, you can email support@soilkit.com.